is. It's okay. You know, like, I was bullied a lot in junior high, and I know she is as well, so I had to write a song for her. It's called Little Miss Sunshine, kind of based off the character. Because she looks just like Miss Sunshine. She does. I'll be like, I forgot this is online. I hope they're not watching this. Well, I heard about the names that the boys been calling, and how the girls are spitting words and rumors that they know ain't true. And I know it's hard to feel like you're on your own, 'cause I remember what it's like being all alone. And you don't have to be like this. Yeah, you don't have to try to fit in. You don't have to be a brown shell beauty queen, brown Barbie girl, like all those girls you think you're up to. 'Cause I like a little Miss Sunshine sometimes. Out of line, girl, don't be nobody but you. You just gotta use whatever you got. Never try to be somebody that you're not. Mr. Nelson in middle school, I was like his bad stepson in his office every day, 'cause I stuck out like a sore ass. He said it's better just to be a chameleon, or somewhere in the middle with everyone. I'm so glad I didn't listen to him. I'm so glad I never came to fit in. You don't have to be a brown shell beauty queen, brown Barbie girl, like all the girls you're looking up to. 'Cause I like a little Miss Sunshine sometimes. Out of line, girl, don't be nobody but you. You just gotta use whatever you got. Never try to be somebody that you're not. People gonna wonder how'd you turn out like that. Ooh, yeah. People won't get you, so they might start talking trash. And people gonna wonder how'd you turn out like that. Oh, people won't get you, but it won't last. Yeah, yeah. Gotta use whatever you got. Never try to be somebody that you're not.